In this video we will be going over why the Spectra Hydro Pro and Bladder Pump should be your number one choice for low flow sampling. The Spectra Hydro Pro Bladder Pump Controller and Compressor is a rugged and reliable controller. Built with an internal full-duty cycle compressor, the Hydro Pro is the ideal controller for all groundwater applications. When beginning to sample, you can find the cable to connect with your battery stored behind the vial holder. To connect the cable to the controller, align the cable connectors with the two pins. Push the connector into the port firmly. Once connected, tighten the cable ring to secure the connection. Remember to avoid twisting the cable during this process, as twisting can potentially damage the cable or its connectors. Once the alligator clips are connected to the battery, you can proceed to turning the controller on. The Spectra Hydro Pro controller offers a comprehensive overview of essential functions when sampling. The display provides the runtime, which indicates the total time required for the sampling process. This is a crucial metric to keep track of the sampling duration. Voltage display shows the current battery voltage. Monitoring the battery status, if the voltage is low, it's an indicator that the battery might need recharging or replacement. The refill time feature displays the total time the bladder pump takes to refill with water. This information is valuable for managing the efficiency of the sampling process. The pump time indicates the total time the compressor operates, pressurizing the internal bladder chamber. The Spectra Hydro Pro also has a vial holder which can store up to 6 vials. Additionally, the Spectra Hydro Pro includes a convenient countdown timer. This timer helps users effectively manage their sampling process by providing a countdown of the time remaining for both the pump and refill times. The Spectra Bladder Pump SIL 2.0 follows a simple design of unscrew, remove and replace. Technicians do not have to worry about difficult sleeve removal or adding a plate each time you must replace the sleeve. With this simple design, you can save up to 5 minutes of cleaning and bladder replacement between wells. The Spectra Scientific Bladder Pump SIL 2.0 uses approved materials with zero PFAS contamination or potential leaching. Unlike other bladder pumps that use such materials as LDPE, HDPE and Teflon, the Spectra pump utilizes silicone for a more rugged, inert and less toxic internal bladder to ensure no PFAS contamination. Make sure that the tubing is securely connected to the standard hose barb connections. When you've added tubing to the air and water lines, you can slowly lower the pump into the well. For extra safety, to assure the pump is not lost, you can add some twine to the safety hook. When preparing the controller and pump for preparation, it is ideal to start with a short refill cycle to fill the pump up with water. The flow rate chart represents a recommended setup of fill and pump times to achieve desired flow rates at specified depths. Once the water line has started pumping water using the table, we will adjust our refill and pump time to receive the desired flow rate for our job. Now, to show you just how easy it is to change sleeves in between wells. There are no parts that need to be added. Simply unscrew, remove, replace, and sample.